Namaste, Hari Om. Welcome to Shevadhi channel. Today's video is going to be chair yoga because obviously we're going to do a couple of practices sitting on a chair. There are two reasons why I'm doing this particular video. First reason being, many of us working in the corporate world, we are wedded to our desk and chair. And given the current scenario, most of us are working from home. And that makes it even longer hours, and there's no time to actually do any exercise. Yes, if you happen to make time for it, it will happen, but sometimes that becomes the lowest priority in our list. But if you can do a certain type of exercises while you're sitting on a chair, then we cannot give that excuse, right? We don't have time for doing the exercise. And that will actually, this will actually keep our body active. Then hopefully this will prevent us from facing certain conditions like frozen shoulders, lower back pain, cervical spondylitis, or it could be even digestion problems because we are sitting in a cramped position most of the day, and the tension and the anxiety of dealing with many tasks. So all these things can be handled if we can adopt a healthy lifestyle. And the second reason I'm doing this is, many of us have elderly folks at home. It could be your parents-in-laws or any aunts and uncles that you know of. When they cannot really move around, or they might have a reduced mobility for various conditions, you can encourage those people to do these set of practices while they're sitting on a chair. If they continue to lead a kind of not so active lifestyle, what happens is the body tends to cut off the energy flow to those parts that are not being used actively. Then it could result in atrophy. It could be like muscle atrophy or a cell or an organ. And then what atrophy means is that particular part gets shortened. And then it could further lead to even more serious condition. So we don't want that to happen, right? So you can encourage the elderly folks to do these practices as well. That said, we will get started. Let us pick a chair which is has very sturdy legs, a wooden chair or any other even steel chair which has foam legs, and then sit on your chair. And make sure you sit on the chair comfortably with your legs, your chair legs apart, okay? And make sure you are sitting all the way back to the chair. In the sense, you push the hip all the way back, touching the back of the chair, and keep your spine erect, no slouching. The spinal health is very, very important. And now, once you sit comfortably, this is the posture that we are going to use throughout the exercise. Okay, and like always, we start the session with the prayer. Let's keep our hands in Namaskara Mudra, keep your eyes closed, and let's all together chant one round of Omkara followed by Sahana Bhavatu, the prayer. Okay, inhale deeply. Sahana bhavatu, sahanau bhunaktu, sahaviryam karavavahai, tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Rub your palms together. Transfer the heat to your eyes and to your cheeks with a beautiful smile on your face. Slowly open your eyes. Now let's get started with our movements to the fingers and to your arms. Okay? Stretch your arms out and now spread your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now do up and down movement. Up and down. 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 Now sideward movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now make a fist. Inward rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 6. Now movement at the elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now go to shoulder rotation. Now as you expand your shoulders, you breathe in or inhale, and as you make a circle and come back, you exhale. Okay? Inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Now it's reverse. Inhale and exhale. 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 Now let's go for hand stretch breathing. Now let's take the arms out. Touch your palms. Now as you inhale, stretch the arms out. And as you exhale, bring them in. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, come back. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, back. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, back. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, back. Inhale, stretch and exhale, back. Drop your shoulders. Now let's go for head movement. Now let's do head up and down movement. When you take your head up, it's inhale. When you go down, it's exhale. Okay? Inhale up. Keep your palms on your thighs. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Now head right center, left center. Sideward movement. Right center, left center. Right center, left center. Right center, left center. Right center, left center. One more set. Right center, left and center. Now let's go for bending the head towards right and towards left. When you bend the head, try to take the head down and don't take the shoulder towards the ear, but the ear has to go down and touch the shoulder. Okay, and make sure your spine is erect, no slouching. Now let's bend towards right. Right center, left center. 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 Now this is the a neck rotation, and also with the neck we are rotating the head as well. If you are suffering from vertigo problem, then avoid this exercise as you might feel giddy. Otherwise, you can just do this. Now take your head down, touch the chin to the chest area. Now start. As you inhale, take it outward, and as you exhale, come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. Now let's reverse the rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. Now let's get started with Surya Namaskara. I'm sitting this way so that you can follow the poses as I do it. It's more clearly visible from this direction. Make sure you sit comfortably on a chair with your feet, your legs, chair legs apart, and make sure your hip is all the way back to the chair, back of the chair, and spine is erect. And sit comfortably with both the feet on the ground. Okay. And now let's keep our palms in Namaskara Mudra. And as you inhale, stretch back. And as you exhale, bend from your lower back, no hunching your back, and go all the way down and try to touch your palms to the floor. And it depends on your comfort level. If you can go up to here or here, that is fine. Just bend as you exhale. Bend from your lower back. And if you want to intensify the stretch to your spinal column, what you can do is spread your legs a little bit more and try to walk front and try to stretch your arms. So obviously you have to exhale as you are trying to stretch your spinal column. Or you can stay here also. That is completely fine. And as you inhale, bring your right knee in and push your knee towards your chest and throw your head back and look up. And as you exhale, try to touch your forehead or the tip of your nose to the knee. Now as you inhale, release your leg and stretch your arms back up. Feel the stretch. And now as you exhale, slowly bend from your lower back and touch the floor with your fingers or with your palms. Try to rest your palms completely on the floor if you can. And as you inhale, bend your left leg and throw your head back and look up. And as you exhale, Try to touch the forehead or your tip of your nose to your knee. And as you inhale, release your leg and stretch back. And as you exhale, touch the floor. Now come back to Namaskara position. This completes one round of Surya Namaskara. Now let's go for a few more rounds of Surya Namaskara. Namaskara position. Inhale up. Stretch your arms back. Look up. Exhale. Bend from your lower back. No hunching. Try to touch the floor with your palms. And as you inhale, bend your right knee. Try to tuck your knee towards your chest and look up. And as you exhale, touch the nose or your forehead to the knee. As you inhale, release the leg and stretch your arms back up. And as you exhale, stretch from your lower back and touch the floor. Now as you inhale, bend the left knee and left knee towards your chest. And look up. And as you exhale, touch the tip of your nose to the knee. As you inhale, release your left leg and stretch up. Stretch your arms back, look up. And as you exhale, bend from your lower back and touch the floor. And as you inhale, come back up to Namaskara pose. Hands in prayer position. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, take the right knee in. Exhale. Touch the knee with the tip of your nose or forehead. Inhale, release the leg and stretch up. Exhale, bend, touch the floor. Inhale, bend the left knee, look up. And exhale. Touch the tip of your nose or the forehead to the knee. Now inhale, stretch up. And exhale down. And inhale, back to Sthiti. Namaskara position. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale right. Exhale touch. Inhale, release and stretch up. Exhale down. Inhale left. Exhale touch. stretch up. Exhale, down. Inhale, back to Sthiti. Again, Namaskar position. Inhale, stretch back. Exhale, down. Inhale, right and stretch back. Exhale, touch. Inhale, release and stretch back. Exhale, bend down. Now inhale, take the left knee in and stretch up. Exhale, touch. Inhale, release and stretch back. And exhale, touch down. Inhale, back to Sthiti. Namaskara position. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right knee in and throw the head back. Exhale, touch. Inhale, release and stretch back. Exhale, bend down. Inhale, left leg in and throw the head back. Now exhale, touch. Inhale, release and stretch back. Exhale, down. Inhale, back to Sthiti. Prayer position. Inhale, stretch back. Exhale, down. Inhale, right knee up, stretch your head back, look up. Exhale, touch. Inhale, release and stretch back. Exhale, down. Inhale, take the left knee in, stretch back. Exhale, touch. Inhale, release and stretch back. Exhale, down. Inhale, back to Sthiti. Now let's go for few rounds of pranayama, Nadi Shuddhi pranayama. And that is this specialty about this pranayama is you can do this any time of the day, and it's extremely beneficial and there is no contraindication. Anybody can do this particular pranayama, Anulom Vilom or Nadi Shuddhi pranayama or alternate nostril breathing. For that, we will take our left hand in Gnana Mudra and right hand in Chin Mudra. Chin Mudra is also called as Nasika Mudra, and we will use the thumb and the little and the ring finger to close and open the nostrils. And during pranayama, the exhalation has to be longer than inhalation. So to begin with, let's do 2 counts of inhalation and 4 counts of exhalation. And as you keep doing it, and as the breath gets longer, then you will have the capacity to hold the breath longer. That is, inhale for 4 counts and exhale for 8 counts. To begin with, let's do 2 counts of inhalation and 4 counts of exhalation. Let's get started. And keep your left hand on your left thigh, and it is in Gnana Mudra, and the right hand is in Chin Mudra. Is if you have to make sure that you take deep breaths. So in order to feel that you are taking a deep breath, you can keep your left palm on your stomach. So as you inhale, the stomach has to go up, and as you exhale, it has to go in. Okay. Initially, to get the hang of the pranayama, then you can do the instead of keeping the Gnana Mudra on your left hand, you can keep the left palm on your stomach. Okay. Close your right nostril and exhale completely through left nostril once. And let's inhale through left 1, 2. Exhale, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, right. 1, 2. Exhale, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, left. 1, 2. Exhale, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, right. 1, 2. Exhale, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, left. 1, 2. Exhale, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, right. 1, 2. Exhale, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, left. 1, 2. Exhale, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, right. 1, 2. Exhale, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. One final round. Inhale, left. 1, 2. Exhale, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, right. 1, 2. Exhale, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release your arms. Now keep both the hands in Jnana Mudra on your thighs and resume normal breathing. That is breathing through both your nostrils. Inhale and exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Now let's take a deep breath. Chant one round of Omkara and let's conclude this yoga session with Shanti Mantra. Keep your eyes closed. Hands in prayer position. Take a deep breath. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ. Rub your palms. Feel the heat being generated. Transfer the heat to your eyes and to your cheeks. With a beautiful smile on your face, slowly open your eyes. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video, and hopefully you are going to practice at least minimum set of exercises every day. And I hope you found this video to be useful. Hari Om.